Coach's Choice and Quick Scout Technologies have partnered to develop a software system to improve the individual skills of every player on your team. Football in Motion is the first of a 12-part all sports in motion training series. This YouTube demonstration will show how coaches and players can use inMotion with preloaded Coach's Choice training video clips to improve the technique of your kickers. I'll begin by opening the kicker section of Football in Motion and select the place kicking example. As the two video screens open, you will notice the same place kicker on both screens. I will now demonstrate how coaches and athletes can use inMotion and preloaded video examples provided by Coach's Choice to improve existing technique. By clicking on the duplicate button, I'll be able to recopy the inMotion page that includes the Coach's Choice place kicking example. As I do this, the inMotion program will prompt me to enter a new file name. The video example that we're going to be used is a kicker we were working with named Tyler. So I'm going to enter the name Tyler place kicking. And select OK. What this is going to do is rebuild the page and allow me to add Tyler's video opposite the Coach's Choice example. So I'm going to select the Change Video button and go into a folder where Tyler's video clip is located, and then add that to the inMotion window. As you see, it rebuilds the page again, and this time Tyler, or another video, is going to be opposite the Coach's Choice example. Our next step is to synchronize the two videos. What we mean by synchronize is to get the two videos to show both athletes' technique at the same time. This process will allow coaches to compare video A compared to video B. So what I'll do is I'll work with these two video buttons here, or boxes. I'm going to first make sure that the Coach's Choice example, the check mark is on, and then go to video 2 where Tyler's video clip is located and turn that one off. I just want to make sure that the Coach's Choice kicker is ready to begin his steps, and that at that point where he's beginning his motion, I want to set his start time to freeze it in that frame. So I'm going to turn the Coach's Choice video example off and turn Tyler's video example on, and then advance his video clip a little bit to make sure he's ready to advance to the ball as well. And I'll start that time and freeze that in place. And now make sure that both videos are turned to on, and I'll just click the replay button to reset both videos. And at this point we're able to move frame by frame by clicking the forward arrow button to see both kickers advancing to the football. Now, one of the points, again, the advantages to inMotion is that you're able to isolate on these key techniques that are necessary to be successful at whatever sport you're playing. On this example, we're able to see that the Coach's Choice example kicker, his arm is straight up and down as he's advancing to the football. Again, he's just maybe a step or two away from making his extra point or field goal kick, and he's going to be able to get all the power of his core into that kick. Now, if we look at Tyler, it's just as he's advancing to kick the football, his left arm is out to the side, and that means he's not going to be able to get all the power he would hope to into his kick. So what we were able to even do is start to and draw a few lines here to help illustrate what we were talking about. Again, this is a great way to teach your athletes and explain to them what the point you're trying to make. So I'm just going to draw a line, and just by clicking where I want the line to begin, where I want the line to end, on the Coach's Choice example, and you can see that his arm is straight up and down. Now I'm going to do the same thing with Tyler. I'm going to start at his heel and to the start of his arm, and then go out to his hand and back to the inside of his arm. And you can see that his mechanics and this are going to reduce the power of his kick. We'll turn this off. And what you may want to do, if you can either go through this on a smartboard or Promethean room in the coach's office or anywhere in the school, or you may want to email this to Tyler, or you can even have a team Dropbox that allows, and this is a free service, and allow you to load the video clips into that Dropbox and then have Tyler go get access to those clips as well. I'll give you a quick demonstration of using a Dropbox. It's as simple as having a Dropbox and just load the program to your computer, and I'll find my copy of Dropbox and lower into my screen. This is I'll open the Dropbox folder. And I created a folder named just Team Dropbox. And simply what you would be able to do is just go to your folder with the videos, or even Tyler's video, and just copy it into your Team Dropbox and paste it, and then it's literally going to be in that Dropbox in a few seconds, and Tyler would be able to go into it from his home computer and open his kit. Now what you could even do is, if you didn't add that model to it as well, we'll go okay, copy the model and paste it into the Dropbox. So that way Tyler would be able, from his home computer or any computer in the school, and this could be accessed off the network, and compare his technique against the model.